It's the next edition of the event everyone is talking about, one that concentrates on real massive value for attendees and always guarantees to skyrocket your needed results in business and life. 15th and 16th of November at Brooklands Hotel in Surrey, turning your desire into destiny. Position your leadership with Tier 1 workshops.
At the Circle of Fame, there's no better place to be.
Why we are here today? Well, to celebrate amazing people, to really connect, to really put together an amazing room filled with powerful voices.
Prepare properly with the people who matter for your successful 2026. Limited ticket availability. Make sure to get yours now.